For the weekend, thankfully, a little better right now as we turn to your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast. Chief Meteorologist Tony Petracca, though, already looking ahead, more winter-like weather this week.
Yeah, this time, Brian, it's probably a little bit of everything as far as precipitation type, not just snow, but ice, sleet, freezing rain. This is in the Thursday, Friday time frame, though I'm more concerned actually about Friday, only because that's the day where it gets colder. In the meantime, it's quiet. We've had some clouds roll in after a little bit of sunshine this morning. There's not much out there in terms of precipitation. We're looking at Newport, of course, with a temp now at around 32, 33, as temperatures in most areas, after briefly hitting about 34, 35, around 33 degrees, including Taunton at 34, though New Bedford's a little milder at 37. So our threat tracker, we keep it low now through Wednesday. We'll bump it up to yellow on Thursday. Not that I'm overly concerned about something really stormy or high impact, but there'll be some fog, milder temperatures with some rain showers, wet roads, things getting a little slushy with a milder air. But the concern is that Thursday moisture spills over into Friday, and the problem with Friday, it turns colder. So the rain changing to sleet, ice, and then eventually a period of snow. So some slick travel and colder temperatures. I'm actually more concerned about the ice potential, even though we'll see some snow to end. But really Friday is a day to watch very closely as far as some hazards to travel. And our Doppler radar, you got a few, looks like some flurries and sprinkles trying to sneak in across southeastern Massachusetts. So I wouldn't be surprised this evening to see a flurry or a sprinkle, but nothing more than that. But you can see the cloud cover that has taken over across southern New England. Here's the wider view. I want to take you ahead to the next couple of days. You see moisture across the middle of the country. When we take this into the future, and we'll stop things at tomorrow afternoon, a mainly cloudy day, slight chance of an isolated shower, but take note of this precipitation, which stays away for the most part on Wednesday. But by Thursday, this arrives in the form of this strip of green, which is plain non-freezing rain. But just to the north is ice and snow up in northern New England. So by Friday morning, we're transitioning over to some sleet, some ice, freezing rain, and eventually some snow. Notice the temperatures on Friday. On a northeast wind, it's turning colder, and we have moisture in place. Now, as far as snow, by 7 o'clock Friday morning, most of that's confined north of the Mass Pike. However, towards the end of the day, we'll see a bit of snow. But I'm more concerned about the sleet and the freezing rain potential Friday afternoon and Friday evening. Bottom line, slick, hazardous travel is anticipated on Friday, especially as we get deeper in the day as the temperatures turn colder. Let's backtrack to this evening. And overnight, cloudy skies, a few flurries and sprinkles. Here we are tomorrow morning, 7 a.m., 32. More clouds than sunshine. And notice a few isolated showers, mostly southeastern Massachusetts. Wouldn't rule out a passing shower. I just don't see tomorrow as being a rain day. Temperatures reaching the mid-30s, so we'll get a little melting once again. Otherwise, it doesn't look too bad. But on Thursday, rain, plain rain, non-freezing rain at 45. The concern here is on Friday, we start as a cold rain, but transition over to some sleet, freezing rain, and eventually some snow. So stay tuned as temperatures drop throughout the day. The weekend looks cold and dry.